In this video, we'll delve into the basics of roadside assistance in Calgary, with a specific focus on understanding the services provided by tow trucks. We'll uncover the essential aspects of accessing help during roadside emergencies and highlight the role of tow truck operators in providing assistance to stranded motorists. From vehicle breakdowns to accidents, having a fundamental understanding of the available tow truck services can be invaluable in navigating unexpected roadside situations in Calgary. Let's explore the array of roadside assistance services available in Calgary. From towing services for vehicle transportation to jump starts for a dead battery, tire changes, and fuel delivery, these services are designed to address common vehicle-related predicaments experienced by drivers in Calgary. Understanding the scope of assistance that can be provided during roadside incidents equips motorists with the knowledge to make informed decisions and seek appropriate help when encountering unexpected vehicular challenges. When considering tow truck services in Calgary, several crucial factors demand attention. The response time of the tow truck service is vital, as prompt assistance is often paramount during emergencies. Additionally, evaluating the reputation of the service provider ensures reliability and quality assistance. Cost considerations also play a key role, as understanding the pricing structure and potential additional fees can aid in making an informed choice when selecting a tow truck service in Calgary. Understanding the intricate procedures of towing vehicles involves a comprehensive grasp of safety measures, necessary documentation, and potential costs. Safety is paramount during towing, encompassing secure attachment of the vehicle, proper signaling, and adherence to traffic regulations. Moreover, comprehending the required documentation for towing operations, such as permits and insurance details, is essential. Additionally, being aware of the potential costs associated with towing aids in ensuring transparency and preparedness during such circumstances. In conclusion, we present practical tips for effectively utilizing roadside assistance services in Calgary and emphasize the importance of proactive vehicle maintenance. These tips encompass knowing your location for accurate service requests, maintaining a roadside assistance kit, and familiarizing oneself with the available services. Furthermore, we stress the significance of proactive vehicle maintenance to minimize the likelihood of encountering roadside emergencies, thus promoting safer and more reliable driving experiences in Calgary.